Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Haisha Nuragustina. My friend are used to calling me Haisha. I'm a student at State Vocational High School 7 Semarang, majoring in Power Electronics and Communication Engineering. Prakarin is one of the mandatory activities for all vocational high school students in Indonesia. I was given the opportunity to carry out an internship at Telkomsel Industries starting from June to November 30, or approximately 6 months. Telkomsel Industry, operating under the trademark Telkomsel, is one of the cellular telecommunication operator companies in Indonesia. Currently, Telkomsel is the largest cellular telecommunication operator in Indonesia. There, I become an engineer. Engineers themselves are those who have a profession with the task of designing, calculating, and planning a particular design. In his work, being an engineer requires the support of software, machines, and various other things to develop related technologies. I think the work I'm studying is not really in line with my major because when I did my internship, I mostly handle electric cases. While my own major was electronics, an example of the work I did during my internship was handling when the electricity went out, checking the PLN voltage. Even though there are many things that are not appropriate, the knowledge from the department also really helped me during my internship. During my internship, I was very happy because I gained new knowledge and learned things that I had never learned from school. I had many happy and sad experiences. When I first entered the internship, I was very nervous and scared, but even so, I should not be afraid. On the first day of entry, I was introduced by Telkomsel industry employees who were there. Then I was invited to go around the building and learn what was in the building, explained by the internship quit and explain the tasks that we during the internship. When the internship supervisor explained, I understand and write down what he explains. I wrote it down so I can read what the internship supervisor explained, and so I don't forget what the internship supervisor explained. After walking around the building during the day, the internship supervisor tested by asking questions about what he explained earlier. When the internship supervisor asked a question, luckily my friend and I listened and understood what the explained, so my friend and I could answer the question easily. The next day, after I arrived at working in my internship, I immediately carried out the task that yesterday was explained by the internship supervisor. The task was that at 8 am I had to record the voltage of the PLN electricity in the building. After recording it, then I did the next task, which was to check whether the elevator was functioning properly or not. As long as I am doing a segment, I am accompanied by an internship supervisor because I am new every time I write a segment. I am supervised by an internship supervisor, so I don't make mistakes. An experience that I can forget when doing internship is when I have a job to fix a dead light in building. When I fix a dead light, I have to climb stairs to replace the old lamp with a new one. I'm afraid of heights, so every time I climb the stairs to fixing the lamp, I'm very nervous and sweaty, and my friends know that I'm afraid of hacks, and when I have a text to fix the lamp, my friend always support me so that I'm not afraid when climbing stairs. And then just give up. I fight my fear when climbing the stairs. I don't look down so I don't get nervous, and I'm better to climb the stairs. And finally, I was able to the task properly and correctly. And when I did an internship there, my intern supervisor said that I was one of the lucky one because I chose to major in power electronics and communication because the knowledge is really needed in a very sophisticated future, and every technology requires that knowledge. So don't ever hesitate to major in power electronics and communication engineering. Actually, there are many experiences and stories that are no less exciting during my internship, but I can only tell a short story. Thank you for listening to stories about me during my internship at the Telkomsel company. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.